Hidemium has a very close cooperation with Lunaproxy. Lunaproxy is the best value residential proxy provider. Go to the Lunaproxy official website and click on the dashboard. Enter the whitelist. Copy the current IP into the dialog box and click Add. The whitelist has been added successfully. Click Dynamic Residential Proxy. You can adjust the number of IPs at will. The country here takes Japan as an example. Select HTTP proxy protocol. Select Sticky IP. After setting is complete, click to generate API link. Then open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open hidemium and click Add Profile. Choose a platform that needs to be opened on your behalf. Select HTTPS proxy type. Copy the proxy IP you just copied and fill in the proxy host and port. Then check the proxy. The proxy detection is successful. Click on the left to create a profile. Run the newly created browser. The Amazon e-commerce platform was successfully launched, and the IP address was displayed as Tokyo, Japan.